Okay, let's kick things off. We are doing a deep dive today into uh, something specific, a
Yeah.
solution, trying to tackle those really common frustrations in male body grooming. The
Mm,
cuts, the burns, the razor bumps.
yeah, exactly. And the source material zooms right in on this product, Botane. It's presented not just as another option, but like a step beyond shaving. It's a hair removal cream, specifically formulated for men's hair, which is
Sure.
often thicker, coarser.
And the core promise, the big hook, is getting smooth skin in just 5 minutes. No blades, supposedly no irritation. They're framing it as a smarter way. So, okay, what actually makes it smarter? Does it live up to that convenience claim?
Well, convenience is definitely front and center. The sources lay out the process pretty simply. You apply it, wait about 5 minutes, and they're clear, not more than 10 minutes, and just, wipe or rinse it off.
That 5 minute window is key, isn't it? Fast turnaround. And where can you actually use this? Is it just for,
Sure.
like, the chest?
No, it seems pretty versatile according to the source. They mention chest, arms, back, and even the groin area, which can be tricky with razors.
Right.
And the big benefit they push is how long it lasts, because it gets the hair right near the root, maybe even slightly below the skin line. The claim is you get smoother skin for longer compared to just shaving the surface.
Okay, so let's get into the how. We understand shaving it's mechanical, it cuts. What's the mechanism here? What's the aha moment for Botane?
It's chemical, fundamentally. Instead of scraping the skin, which can cause irritation, this cream uses alkaline ingredients. These work to break down the actual protein structure of the hair, the keratin.
Keratin, right.
Yeah, it breaks down that keratin just below the skin surface, so the hair essentially dissolves and can be wiped away.
Ah, okay. So that's why they can claim things like less irritation and maybe slower regrowth, because they're
Right.
not leaving that sharp cut edge on the hair follicle right at the skin level.
Precisely. That breakdown process avoids the sharp edge that often leads to ingrown hairs or razor bumps. It's positioned as like the modern fix for those old shaving problems.
Makes sense, but using chemicals on your skin, especially something strong enough for coarse hair, that immediately brings up questions about sensitivity, right? Did the sources
Okay.
cover that?
Oh, absolutely. It's a key part. Given it is a chemical process, they stress the need for, well, due diligence. You can't just slap it on and hope for the best. They included what we can call smart checks.
Okay, good. So what are these checks? What do you need to do before you uh, commit to using something like this?
Number one, and this is non-negotiable, the patch test. Always. Put a small amount on, say, your wrist or inner elbow, wait the specified time, rinse it off, and then wait 24 hours to see if there's any reaction.
Right, standard procedure for anything new on the skin. What else?
Second, if you know you have sensitive skin, or maybe conditions like eczema, the advice is clear. Talk to your dermatologist before trying it. Get professional advice.
Makes sense. And beyond skin safety.
Credibility checks. Third, they recommend verifying the source. Make sure you're looking at the official Botane US website, not some third-party imitation.
Okay.
And fourth, look beyond the marketing. Check independent review sites, think Google reviews, Trustpilot, places like that. See what real users are saying about the results, about that 5-minute claim, and importantly, about customer service or any side effects like redness or maybe a chemical smell.
Right. Get the unbiased picture.
Exactly. So when you pull it all together, Botane is really marketing itself as this faster, possibly safer, burn-free way out for guys who are just, well, fed up with the daily grind of shaving.
Yeah, the promise is clean skin without the usual hassle.
Right.
Switching from scraping to dissolving, essentially.
That's the core idea, shifting from mechanical to chemical removal.
Okay, so that leaves us with a final thought for you, the listener. Considering these claims, less irritation, potentially slower regrowth compared how often many people shave, how might switching from that mechanical razor approach to this kind of chemical cream really change the overall picture? Not just saving time maybe, but the actual economics and frequency of your whole grooming routine long term. Something to think about next time you're facing down that razor blade.